planning for phase 1B of vaccinations to begin shortly. The governor making that announcement. And while your turn may be a long way off, you may want to decide soon if you're actually going to get the vaccine. KQ2's Madeline McLean speaking to a local pediatrician's office about how they decided.
The staff at a local pediatrician's office are nearly a week out from receiving the COVID-19 vaccine with no regrets.
My experience was a pretty positive one. I knew that I wanted to get the vaccine, to protect myself, to protect my family and my patients.
It just happened so fast. I don't really think we had time to think about it, but I think we're all pretty happy that we did it.
Staff at Peacock Pediatrics knew the local health department was working on getting vaccines for them in the coming weeks.
We got a phone call from one of the local pharmacies. They had several vaccines available that they either had to use or they had to waste them. So they called our office and was able to take the entire clinic down, and all of us got our vaccines on that day.
These staff members are just 11 of the nearly 162,000 frontline healthcare workers and long-term care residents that have received their first dose of the vaccine in the state. The governor tweeting the updated figure Tuesday morning. There are about 350,000 Missourians of that top-tier group eligible to get the vaccine, but some may not want it.
I think we all had, positive and negative thoughts about getting it, which I think is normal for anybody.
The staff at Peacock Pediatrics was not required to get the vaccine.
We want to protect our patients and we want to protect our patients' families. And so I think that is a huge motivating factor for us here.
My decision to get it was persuaded by my husband and my family. My husband has a chronic illness, so definitely need to protect him. And, we have to do what we can to keep our kids safe.
And while side effects are definitely part of the decision,
honestly, maybe 5 to 10 minutes I had the headache and then it was gone.
This nurse practitioner found that 24 hours of flu-like symptoms was more of a pro than a con.
Just kind of so excited about the science of this vaccine that I knew while I was not feeling good that it was my body mounting an immune response to the vaccine.
Reporting, Madeline McLean, KQ2 News.
As of today, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention report more than 9.3 million initial doses of the two COVID-19 vaccines have been administered.